lights every day. Galaxies whirl in a cosmic ballet. Let's get lost where the comets play. Neon lights from a distant star, flying in our spaceship car, through the nebula, not so far. Together we'll go bizarre. Meet me where the moonlight glows, in the whispers that the universe knows. Interstellar hearts on a cosmic tide. Let's leave our footprints side by side. Planet hopping from Mars to Venus. Hear the symphony in between us. Asteroids dance in meteoric rush. Feel the universe's gentle hush. Twinkling skies with secrets to share. Cosmic love floating everywhere. In this space, no worries, no despair. We're boundless, there's love in the air. Meet me where the moonlight glows, in the whispers that the universe knows. Interstellar hearts on a cosmic tide. Let's leave our footprints side by side. Woke up dizzy in the neon haze. City lights dancing in the night's cold embrace. Hearts beat faster as we hit the streets, lost in the echoes of forgotten dreams. City lights, city fights we can't deny. In this maze we find our alibis, running wild under the shattered sky. City lights, city nights never die, chasing shadows down the boulevard. Every step we take, it's just so hard.